Well, everybody, all good things must come to an end. And today is the day. This is absolutely my favorite resort. Second time here. Everything was incredible. Not a single thing I could complain about in this resort. Comfortable bed. Beautifully appointed room. How can you beat this resort? The grounds, the pool, the beach area, the monorail, the boat transportation to the Magic Kingdom, tiki torches and Hawaiian music and Trader Sam's. Man, this is fantastic. Goodbye, quiet pool. Goodbye, hot tub. Goodbye, about 3 cabanas. Goodbye, view of Cinderella Castle. I will dream of you. Goodbye, Toklau. Goodbye, map of Polynesian Resort. We were there. Right there. Goodbye, palm tree. Goodbye, volcano pool. Goodbye, unlit tiki torch. Goodbye, sign for the great ceremonial house. Goodbye, angry tiki. Please, great demigod, please don't make our Disney vacation be over. Wish really hurt. How did we get here? Thank you, Maui. We're at the boardwalk. We just have to go home. Magical. It's a magical one more week. Here we are at the boardwalk. We're just looking for a room. We skipped the front desk. And just doing the online check-in. And here it is. Let's see if it works. It worked. Pretty nice. One more week at Disney at the boardwalk. Yeah, I know, we are so darn spoiled. Thanks, Maui.